Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Hope all of you are doing good and your preparation for NEET PG 2020 is on track. As a part of this session, I am going to get you updated with DNB expected cutoff score and rank for NEET PG 2021 so that you have an idea if you're going for particular branch, your preferred branch or list of options as part of your preference, what score you should target for. In case you are missing MSMD courses through your state quota or all India quota, government colleges, then what are the chances that you have for DNB? Because the fee for DNB is very less. So before we proceed into the main content of the video, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. The platform is already great platform for NEET PG counseling, and we will keep on posting all the videos that is relevant time to time and for the future perspective related to counseling process. And I will tell you, if you want to avail our paid services, let me explain what is the advantage of paid services. It gives you surety that you don't lose a year. If you decide to do the counseling on your own, then you must have a good rank or must have very good budget. But even if you have good budget and you're going for private colleges, there are chances that if you don't do the counseling in expert way or advanced smart way, you may get a college but not the best college possible in your rank or budget. So getting a college through the counseling process is not the target. Getting the best possible result of the counseling process, or I can say the best pick, should be the target as part of counseling process. After the exam is done, a result is announced. The most important part which remains is counseling process, because you have taken your journey to the half, but you haven't get the college allocated it, and there are many factors that you need to keep in mind. And our expert counselor who will get connected to the day you avail our paid service until any option is left for you based on your preferred state, branch and all other options. We will be with you and we will guide for each and every step. We do provide the counseling services for DNB, MS, MD, government and private colleges, deemed universities, NBE diploma which got launched this year. I will be posting a video for NBE diploma expected cutoff and CPS, FCPS as well. And for any relevant, so that you don't miss out any relevant information or updates notification to you which is relevant to your particular state or whichever counseling you're processing, we will update with your call, WhatsApp or email. And now there is offer that you getting a 20% of discount on availing paid services. So let's get jump into the main part of the video. The expected DNB score branch wise as per the new exam pattern, how much score you need to have out of 800. So starting with radio, in case you want a radio diagnosis branch, you need to have a score around 500. So this is the score that you need to have. If you want to set the target, you set the target plus 25 marks. You add 25 marks so that in case you slip off, you still land in the safer zone. Okay, and the cutoff rank is going to be 10 to 11,000. You can see there is a positive shift in the cutoff rank compared to last year, because this time in sort of span of time they are going to conduct all the counseling processes, and it is possible that multiple counselings will be happening simultaneously. In that case, there is always a chance to get the shift cutoff shift positive, and people and the candidates will be in a mode to secure a seat and be defensive. Don't take much of risk, because those things are going in parallel mode. Earlier it used to happen after first round of all India quota and deemed, which is conducted by MCC, you used to get notification for state counseling, and after a couple of rounds is done for state counseling, then for DNB counseling. But this time it is expected that DNB and all India quota state level counseling will be happening simultaneously, and NB diploma as well. So definitely there will be positive shift. So if you see the expected cutoff rank will be bit higher than what you can see on the screen, but you add 25 marks extra out of what you can see on the screen. It's not there is no need to read out each and every cutoff, because you can see, you can take a screenshot, but I am giving you an idea where you should target for DNV if you are going for. And DNV, the tuition fee per year is 1.5 lakhs. They have made an increment of 25,000, and that's minimal amount. And on top of that, you will be getting minimum stipend as per the basic stipend for the state. So at least you can expect 30,000, 25 to 30,000 will be the stipend amount, the minimum amount. Depending on the states, I have already posted other videos. You can look at those videos for DNV. What is the cutoff? What is the stipend amount for each state? And for Delhi like states, nearby Delhi NCR, the stipend goes up to 1 lakh or more. So that's big advantage. The tuition fee you're paying is equivalent to government colleges. So you need to have better score so that you can grab clinical or top clinical branches. If you see pediatrics, you need to have around 435 marks. General medicine around 450 marks. Dermatology, there are very less number of seats, hardly 15 to 20 seats will be there. So the cutoff goes higher than radiology. So you need to have around 510 marks for dermatology, and TB chest around 440 marks, orthopedics 415, general surgery 417, ophthalmology 400 plus marks, ENT again 400, and anesthesia around 400 marks you need to have. See, the rank will not play a decisive role, will not give you an idea right now. Rank will give you an idea, and you can calculate as per rank only after result is announced and you know what is your rank. Then you will, and we will go with rank wise. But right now marks is more important, because you have not taken exam yet, so you need to target in terms of marks. Psychiatric medicine, you need to have around 420. Radiotherapy, you see radiotherapy branch in MG MS courses all over India, including government, private, and deemed university. There are very few seats, but relatively in DNB you have more seats. Okay, so you have better option if you want to go for radiotherapy, and you can get around even if you have 45-50,000 rank, still you can get a seat in radiotherapy. The score you need to have around 390 to 395. Emergency medicine 410, and these all expected cutoff score out of 800 is based on our analysis, based on the paper level. If it's easy or tough, it may change. So don't take it as 100% granted. It's all based on their analysis and all. So, okay, so it's for your benefit and based on your demand, so that we have better idea about it. And neurosurgery, cardiosurgery, plastic surgery, these 6 years courses, if you have a score around 430 to 450, you can expect to get a seat in these. Family medicine again 405, and pathology 420. But this is the cutoff score, means the last hospital you will get in this score. But if you are looking for somewhat better option, because if you go for DNB, you need to have very much good knowledge about the hospital where you are taking admission into. The hands-on should be good. There are many other options, many other factors which you need to have in mind while choosing a hospital in DNB. A hands-on opportunity, patient footfall, and there your faculties, how is the theory there, and how much practice you can get, how much opportunity you can get in particular branch, surgical, if you are taking surgical branch especially, and stipend, where the hospital is located. There are many factors I have explained separately in other videos, so you can take a look at those videos as well. and I will try to put a link for the video in description so that you have all the information, or you can look at our playlist. In the playlist you can find DNB videos at one place, and if you want a comparison between DNB and MSMD, that's also video is placed on the channel. That's what I'm saying, it's a very good platform for you, all of you, for NEET PG. Okay, so that's it as part of this video from my side. If you have any kind of question or any comment or suggestion, then you can let us know by commenting in the comment section of the video. Until next video, we will meet again. Thanks and have a nice day.